Hello, auto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Auto Revolution, your go-to channel for the latest vehicle reviews. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the Tata Magic 9-seater Rickshaw 2025, a vehicle designed to redefine urban and rural passenger transport with style, comfort, and efficiency. Bold design and practical appeal. The Tata Magic 9-seater 2025 comes with a modern yet practical design that sets it apart from traditional auto rickshaws. With a sleek front grille, upgraded headlights, and sturdy body panels, this vehicle looks more premium and robust. The wider doors and larger windows ensure better ventilation and visibility, offering a comfortable ride experience for both drivers and passengers. Spacious and comfortable interiors. Step inside, and you'll notice the well-thought-out cabin space. Unlike conventional auto rickshaws, the Magic offers cushioned seating for up to 9 passengers, ensuring a comfortable and fatigue-free ride even on long journeys. The high roof and ample legroom make it ideal for city commutes and rural routes alike. Powerful and fuel-efficient engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Magic 9-seater boasts an efficient and eco-friendly engine, available in CNG, diesel, and electric variants to suit different business needs. With enhanced fuel efficiency and BS6 Phase 2 compliance, this vehicle ensures low running costs and minimal emissions, making it an excellent choice for commercial transport. Advanced features and safety. Tata has equipped this model with some segment-first safety features like reinforced chassis for durability, front disc brakes for improved stopping power, seat belts for all passengers, driver information display for real-time updates on mileage and performance. Plus, with power steering and a smooth suspension system, handling this vehicle is effortless, even on rough roads. Why should you buy it? Best-in-class mileage, saves fuel, boosts profits. Comfortable 9-seater capacity, ideal for shared transport business. Affordable maintenance. Tata's reliability ensures low upkeep costs. Checkmark eco-friendly and future-ready CNG and EV options available. Final verdict. The Tata Magic 9-seater Rickshaw 2025 is a game-changer in the commercial passenger segment. It offers a blend of comfort, efficiency, and affordability, making it the perfect investment for transport businesses. If you're looking for a modern, fuel-efficient, and reliable commercial vehicle, this is the one to go for. What do you think about the Tata Magic 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Revolution for more exciting auto reviews.